push, push it, and pull it. Push it, pull it, push it, and pull it. Maya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. Now kick, step, step. Hup. 2, 3, 4. Slide, slide. From the top, push it, pull it, push it, and pull it, push it. Maya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. Hup. Slide, slide. From the top, here we go. This one's called Maya. You push it and pull it. This is all about the hips. You push 2 to the left, 2 to the left. Now here's your Maya move. 1, 2, open, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, stick that butt out on 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so then you take a walk back, you look right and left, and then you kick, step, step, left, step, step, kick, right, step, step, and a left, step, step. And the last move is a Broadway slide, 2, 3, and 4. Right, left, right, left. Here's your slow Maya. Push it and pull it. 2 to the right, 2 to the left. You push it and pull it. And Maya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back on the right, back on the left, right, and you look both sides like you got guys coming at you. Then kick, step, step, right, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, Broadway slide, right, 2 and 3 and 4, and then you're ready for your Maya again. From the top, here we go, push it, pull it. Maya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, take it back. Kick, step, step, hup. Broadway slide. Push it. Maya, 1, 2, open, up, and close it up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slide it. Push it. Pull it. Maya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now kick, step, step, hook. Slide it. From the top we go, push it. Hook. Maya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. Push it. Hup. Here she comes. Here's Maya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. Take it back. Take it back. And